Welcome to free online coaching. This is Praveen Kumar Pandey, the online tutor, and in today's class we are going to see some more problem on Newton's law. Okay, so let's start. This is support, and from this support, this is a string which is massless. Here there is a pulley, and again the second pulley which is hanging from this, and this is a mass m, and this is second mass m. Okay guys, and here this angle is theta, this angle is theta, this angle is theta. Okay, so we have to find what is the acceleration of this block A and this block B. Okay, we have to find what should be acceleration of this block A and this block B. Okay, so this is the very simple question. You can do it by easily. Okay, so what is the three fundamental step is first is to stabilize the acceleration relationship between A and B, and second is drawing the free body diagram, and third is writing down the equations. Okay, and the first step is very important. If you made that step correct, then your question will be automatically correct. Okay, because very a small very little person, few person make a mistake in Newton's drawing free body diagram. Okay, so you stabilizing acceleration relationship between block A and block B is very important. Okay, so let's start the calculation. Let's suppose this guy has moved by amount dx, okay, and this guy has come down by amount dy. Okay, and you know what is the uh, most fundamental tool to encounter such type of problem is that string is inextensible and it is massless. String is inextensible, it is massless, and pulley is massless and frictionless. Okay, so this move by amount dx and this come down by amount dy. So okay, so after some time the pulley will reach here, and my things will become in this manner. Okay, this become in this manner, and it will be like this. Okay guys, and this come down by amount here, this reached here. Okay, so see, if this length is c, let me suppose this length is c, this length is also c, because this length is also c, and this is h, and this is this is y. Let me tell you, this is y. Okay, this is y. Okay guys, so what is the initial length of string? C plus y is equal to L. Length of string is not going to change. Why is not going to change? Because my string is inextensible. Okay guys, so CCY plus L is equal to L. This is the length of string. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to if we have to use geometry to find the relationship between how x and how x and y is related to each other. Okay, so we will use here the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem is very powerful weapon to encounter the question like this. Okay guys, so let's suppose this. Okay, so let's suppose this is what is the initial let's suppose this h is this height is h. Okay, this is h. Okay, this is dx. Now let me give it name x. If this is x, what can I write? And this is x, and let give this name as h. What can I write? H square plus x square is equal to c square. Okay guys, now if this move by amount, if this move by amount dx, so what should be this length? This length become x minus dx. So now h square plus x minus dx whole square is equal to, listen here, this will be changed. Okay, this length will be changed, it will become c minus dc whole square. Okay, because this move upward, so this length will decreases by dc amount. Okay, this decreasement is in dc, so this becomes c minus dc. Okay guys, and if you look at this carefully and you use the approximation that dx square tends to 0 as is negligible. Okay, negligible as dx tends to 0. Okay, so I can write h square plus x square minus 2x dx is equal to c square plus dc square minus 2c dc. Okay guys, so if you see carefully, this guy, all of these things is going to cancel out, and you know this dc and here this dx square is very small. Okay, in comparison with this dx and this dc, so they are going to cancel out. Okay, so what I find, x dx is equal to c dc. Okay, x dx is equal to c dc. Okay, now what is the new length of what is this length? This will become c minus dc again, and this will become also c minus dc because this angle is symmetrical, plus c minus dc. Okay, use the property of triangle to stabilize if you have any confusion why this that. Okay, plus y plus dy. Okay guys, so if you look at this carefully, what you get, 2dc is equal to dy. 2dc is equal to dy, so it is okay, 2dc is equal to dy. Okay, and you know what is the dc? dc is equal to x by c dx. Okay, what is dc? So can I write 2x by c dx is equal to dy? So you know, if you had some knowledge about motion, I can write 2x by c d2x dt2 is equal to dt2y by dt2. Okay, so this is acceleration of this block A. This is the acceleration of this block A. Okay, can you tell me why? Acceleration of A, this is acceleration of A. Why? And is equal to acceleration of B. Okay, and this is 2x by c. If you see carefully, what is 2x by c? Okay, see here, x c x x sorry, yeah, x c. What is this? This is cos theta. So 2 cos theta, acceleration of A is equal to acceleration of B. Okay guys, so we had solved nearly 50% of the questions. Okay, we had solved nearly 50% of question. Now it's time to draw the free body diagram. Okay, so I hope you till now, if you see all my lecture, so you could understand how to draw free body diagram. Okay, how to encounter a problem in drawing free body diagram of string. So I'm not going to explain you how to draw this diagram. Okay, I just draw it to solve the question. Okay guys, so here T2 TA by mg. Okay, mg, TA by mg, and here TB नीचे mg. Okay, and downward mg. Okay, if you see it carefully, and if you see TA is equal to 2 TB cos theta. Question is why. TA is equal to 2TB cos theta. Why? You should do it by yourself. Okay, I'm not going to explain. Okay, if if you work, then you will find this answer why. Okay, TA is equal to 2TB cos theta. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so can I write TA minus mg is equal to m into acceleration of A. Okay, and mg minus tb is equal to m into acceleration of B. Okay, why not I had write tb minus mg. Okay, you should think why not I had write tb minus mg. Okay guys, mg minus tb is equal to m into acceleration of AB. You should think about this. Okay, so okay, if you see this carefully, what can I write? 2TB 2TB cos theta minus mg is equal to m acceleration of m acceleration of A into A m. Okay, and here mg minus tb is equal to m A cos theta. Okay guys, so if you look at this carefully, what can I write? Cos theta cos square theta. Okay, we should add all these two. Okay, what I get? Cos theta minus 1g, okay, is equal to acceleration of A 1 plus cos square theta. Okay guys, okay, so 1 minus cos theta, sorry, cos theta minus 1 g divided by 1 plus cos square theta is equal to acceleration of A. Guys, this quantity will be negative. What it shows that this will come down. It will come down and this will move upward. Okay guys, it will come down and this will move upward. Okay, so that's why this is the negative. So I should write in downward direction, acceleration will be in downward direction, downward acceleration, and it will be 1 minus cos theta g divided by 1 plus cos square theta, okay, is equal to acceleration of A. Okay guys, okay, so okay, now see some another question, and all these questions are quite simple. Okay, and my previous lecture 1 to 13 14 for class 11th student, for beginners in Newton's law, is if you see all the lecture, then you are able to understand. Okay, and okay guys, so let's see a new question. Let's see a new question. Okay, let me draw. Okay, Okay, so here this mass is, okay, let me give this mass is m, all these two masses are m, and this is m also. Okay guys, so here this is a special one. This question is much different from other question. Okay, different from, in previous question we had seen, in this we had seen the object directly connected by string with each other. And in initial lecture, in my lecture 2 and 3 and 4, I had explained you when objects are directly connected uh, with each other, their surface directly connected. Now in this case, string is connected, directly connected, as they are connected by string. Look here, this here at this point, this is directly connected. And this block, let me give it name, this block A and this block B and this block B, they are directly connected to each other, and they are also connected by string. Okay, so this question is slightly different from other questions. Okay, and you should work on it. Okay, but guys, here again our the fundamental step, three fundamental step is going to same. What is the three fundamental step? First is try to find out try to find out try to find out uh, acceleration acceleration relationship relationship between connected body. Okay, between connected body. Then second step is draw the free body diagram. Draw the free body diagram. And third is write down equation. Write down equation and solve. Write down equation and solve. Okay, so this is nearly 50% weightage, this is 40%, and this is 10%. Okay guys, so you should, okay, and how we will find acceleration relationship between connected bodies? With the help of geometry. With the help of geometry. Who is going to help us in this? Geometry, class 10 geometry. Okay guys, so if you are class 10 pass, you are able to encounter such type of problem, and these are the simple problem. Okay guys, so let's see. So let's start. Okay, now suppose this is moved by amount. Now see some another question, and all these questions are quite simple. Okay, and my previous lecture 1 to 13 14, for class 11th student, for beginners in Newton's law, is, if you see all the lecture, then you are able to understand. Okay, and okay guys, so let's see a new question. Let's see a new question. Okay, let me draw. Okay, okay, so here this mass is, okay, let me give this mass is m, all these two masses are m, and this is m also. Okay guys, so here this is a special one. This question is much different from other question. Okay, different from, in previous question we had seen, in this we had seen the object connect directly connected by string with each other. And in initial lecture, in my lecture 2 and 3 and 4, I had explained you when objects are directly connected uh, with each other, their surface directly connected. Now in this case, string is connected, directly connected, as they are connected by string. Look here, this here at this point, this is directly connected. And this block, let me give it name, this block A and this block B and this block B, they are directly connected to each other, and they are also connected by string. Okay, so this question is slightly different from other questions. Okay, and you should work on it. Okay, but guys, here again our the fundamental step, three fundamental step is going to same. What is the three fundamental step? First is try to find out try to find out try to find out acceleration acceleration relationship between connected body. Okay, between connected body. Then second step is draw the free body diagram. Draw the free body diagram. And third is write down equation. Write down equation and solve. Okay, so this is nearly 50% weightage, this is 40%, and this is 10%. Okay guys, so you should, okay, and how we will find acceleration relationship between connected bodies? With the help of geometry. Who is going to help us in this? Geometry, class 10 geometry. Okay guys, so if you are class 10 pass, you are able to encounter such type of problem, and these are the simple problem. Okay guys, so let's see. So let's start. Okay, now suppose this has moved by amount. So okay, so we had write down the equation and solve it. Okay, so who is going to help us? Geometry. With the help of geometry we will do it. Okay, so let's suppose this has moved by amount dx. Okay, why I had taken dx instead of x. You should know it, you should think about it. Okay, why I had taken x dx instead of x. Okay, so this move by amount dx. Okay guys, and let's suppose this come down by amount dy. Okay, so okay, let's suppose this initial length is x, this initial length is x, and this length from here to here is h. Okay, and this length, okay guys, listen, if okay, let's suppose this is y, this is, oh, it should be, this should be l. Okay, this should be l. Okay, so if this guy move by amount dx, if this guy move by amount dx, it will reach here, it will reach somewhere here. Okay, so my new situation will be something like this. Okay, and here this is a pulley. Okay, this will be something like this. Okay, you should draw it in your copy carefully. Okay guys, so if this is dx, what should be this? what should be dx, what should be this quantity, what should be dl. Okay, you should study it. Okay guys, if this guy move by amount dx, what should be this guy move by amount dx, so what should be this move by amount dx. Okay, so dl is equal to dx. Okay, if you feel discomfort with this, then work hard, work hard, give some time. Okay, you will understand why dl should be equal to dx. How, who is going to help you? The thinking that if this at this point will move by amount dx, then this will also move by dx, this will also move by dx, so this will also by move dx. Okay, so dl is equal to dx. It first look, it may be slightly difficult for you, but yeah, you should work on it. Okay, so okay, so this dx, this is dx. Okay guys, now, so what is the initial length? Initial length, what I assume this is the initial length, no? Okay, x plus h plus l and plus y. This is y. This is initially this is initially y. Okay guys, this is initially y. So plus y is equal to l naught. Okay, is equal to l naught. Now what if this has traveled by amount dx? So what should be this? X minus dx plus h plus l minus dx. Think why? Okay, l minus dl, so l minus dl, so this will be okay plus y plus dy. This should be equal to l naught. If you look at this carefully, what you find, 2 dx is equal to dy. 2 dx is equal to dy. Okay guys, 2 dx is equal to dy. So it is simple to interpret. It is simple to interpret. Okay guys, so 2 dx is equal to dy. Okay, so from this, what can I write now? 2 okay, let's suppose this is this is b, this is a. Okay, it is given here, this is b, this is a. So 2 into acceleration of a is equal to acceleration of b. Okay, again here this one thing you should note that guys, this here there is contact between A and B. Here there is contact between block A and B, wedge A and block B, wedge A and block B. Okay guys, so here what is the acceleration? If is this block B will not accelerate in this direction. Okay, if it is touching, so this block will not accelerate in this direction. Think about it. Okay, think about it. Here this is acceleration of this block B in vertical direction. Okay guys, okay, now here is contact, so we should analyze. Here is contact between block A and block B. We should analyze how this contact play an important role. Okay guys, okay, so let's think it is okay. So what is going to happen, that this A and B always in touch with each other, in touch with each other. Okay guys, with each other. Okay, it is this block B is not going to fly in this manner. Okay, it's not going to fly in this manner. It is not going to fly. Okay, in horizontal. Okay, they always touch they always touch to each other. Okay, this contact here, this contact point not going to vanish. Okay guys, so what it mean? It mean that acceleration of A and acceleration of B in vertical direction, in horizontal direction should be same. Okay, yeah, it may look slightly difficult. You should analyze it. What is the key point to analyze this? That this contact between A and B is not going to vanish. This contact between A and B is not going to vanish. Okay, with the help of this concept, I should analyze it. Okay, let's try. Let's suppose this block has moved by amount dx. So it will reach somewhere here. It will reach somewhere here. Okay, guys. And this also move by amount x by dx. So it will reach somewhere here. And what I am saying that this contact is not going to vanish, so it will be reached somewhere here. Okay, yeah, otherwise it's come settle down, so it will be somewhere here. Okay, so displacement in x direction for both this block A and block B should be same. Okay, displacement in x direction for both block A and block B should be same. So here, guys, there are two type of acceleration. This block B accelerate downward, as well as it accelerate in horizontal direction. As well as it will accelerate in horizontal direction. Yeah, to understand this, you should give some time, nearly 2 hours, 3 hours to understand this. To understand this, you should give some time. Okay, if you start thinking by closing your eyes, then you are not going to understand it. Okay, give some time, work on it to visualize that this and this horizontal acceleration of both A and B should be same. Horizontal acceleration of both A and B should be same. Give some time, you are able to understand it. Okay, so here there are two type of acceleration. Here there are two type of acceleration of block A. One acceleration in horizontal direction and another acceleration in vertical direction. Okay, so now it's time to draw the free body diagram. It's time to draw free body diagram. Okay, so this is T, this is T, and this is T, and here is N. Okay, think the difference between A and between tension and normal reaction. Okay, at point of application with respect to direction, with respect to direction. Okay, you should think about it. Okay, so who has applied this force? This block B has applied. Okay, so let me write down the equation. Okay, so let me draw the free body diagram of this block A. For this block A, this is T, this is mg, and this is N. Okay, so can I write N is equal to MA? Okay, N is equal to MA, and again 2T minus N is equal to MA. Okay, 2T minus N is equal to NA. Again, and mg minus T is equal to 2MA. Okay, you should do it by yourself. Okay, by yourself. What is the hint? Think about why I had write this, not this. Okay, why? Okay, why tension in this point at this point is same, and here is also same, here all the tension, why it is same at each, okay, at each point. Okay, you should think about this. Okay, if you are able to think, then you are able to understand it. Okay, I'm not going to explain all this stuff right now. So guys, okay, what happened, I should add these two. If I add, what I get, 2T is equal to 2MA. Okay, So T is equal to MA. If you, what can I write now? G is equal to mg minus MA is equal to 2 MA. So mg is equal to 3 MA. So G by 3 is equal to A. So it is very simple, okay? Very simple. Okay guys, so it is very simple. G by 3 is equal to A. You can do it by yourself. Okay, so I had find what should be the acceleration of A. What should be acceleration of A? This is the acceleration of A, and acceleration of B would be in two directions. In vertical direction, this is 2g by 3, and in this direction, this will be g by 3. So what is the net acceleration? Acceleration of A is equal to mod A is equal to, oh sorry, mod B is equal to g by 3 root 5. Okay, so we had solved this also. Okay guys, so it is a simple one. You could solve it by yourself now. Okay, so can you solve this? This is your homework. Okay, do it by yourself. Can you solve this? Can you solve this in the term of f? Okay, do it by yourself. This is your homework. Okay guys, thank you guys. If you know, if you wanted, if you like my lecture, then you know you can get my lecture directly on your YouTube or email ID by subscribing us. Okay, by subscribe my channel. You know, when you click on this video, then you know you will reach to YouTube, and at YouTube what you find, what you see, a name written just below the title, free online coaching. You know, free online coaching here are in red color. It has written subscribe guys. You know, if you like me, if you like my lecture, then just click it. You know, all my lecture will be free of cost. We never demand any money, okay, for the lecture. We never demand any money for the lecture. Okay, so if you like us, like my channel and like my videos, okay, and think it is beneficial for you, then just subscribe it, and you will get daily update. Okay, automatic update. Subscribe it, and here there should be a bell like structure. You should just click on it. You will get notification. Okay, by clicking on these things. Okay, here well like, yeah, there is a well like, well is something, yeah, something like this icon. So you can click on this and get notification. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and if you like me, then subscribe us, and share among your friends through whom we think it may be beneficial. Okay, thank you, thanks.